Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can be able to create this window transition in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. Here I've got a clip in my timeline. Now select the clip and then switch to color page. Right click on the nodes panel, and a new menu box will show up on your screen. Then click on Add Alpha Output, and now connect these two blue points, like this. Now go to the Window tab. From here select the Circle tool, and now press the Invert button. Go over to the Keyframes panel. From here toggle on the Corrector 1 and Sizing, and now adjust the size and aspect ratio to your specific window or door. Now go to the Tracker tab. Now press this button which says Track Forward and Reverse. After the completion of the tracking, we have to scrub through our clip and then fix any of the frames mess up. After that go back to the Edit page, and now move this clip to one track above, and then bring a new clip into our timeline to make the transition into the next scene, and place this new clip just below this previous clip. And now this is the last step. As we can see here in our first clip, it doesn't move that much, so for that reason, we are gonna use the keyframes of the zoom and the position parameters to animate the movement of the camera to make the smooth transition to the next scene. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!